So you and your group have decided to stencil. Before you get started, you'll need a stenciling kit from Coon Creek Watershed District and a broom and dustpan to clean out sites. Kits have safety vests, face masks for paint fumes, vinyl gloves to handle wet stencils, goggles for paint fumes, a wire brush if needed, a supply list, duct tape, spray paint, and garbage bags. Plan out your route beforehand and choose a warm and sunny day for your stenciling so the paint sticks. Once you arrive at your drain, put on your vest and clean out the area you want to stencil. Choose a flat area to place your stencil, shake up your paint, and apply an even coat. Remember to sand the plastic so you don't outline the stencil, and don't use too much paint, otherwise you'll need to clean the stencil sooner. Once you finish, drop off your garbage bags at the compost and return the kit. Most importantly, remember to have fun and stay safe spreading the message of water conservation.